Come on guys, the intro isn't that hard. All you gotta do is this. Well, I might as well introduce myself. Hello, I'm Chris. Okay, now Millie, you had ages to try out this game. Was it Street Sesh? And you give us, well, you give me 2 days to try and beat your score, which you've been working on for a very long while. I'm just glad I'm not Ryan, because he had to do it the next day. So I'm actually going to leave it till next week before I try and review any scores or anything. Of course, there was also the case of the question of Hank or John, which is a slightly crazy question because many people would just say both. But I have to say John for the fact that I just really like Question Tuesdays. They're the best thing about the Vlogbrothers. Well, I think anyway. Okay, now I've run out of things to talk about. It's raining outside. Great, I love rain. Rain's great. Except for on paper rounds. I hate rainy paper rounds. I've been framed! In a belt! My mum just came in like 2 seconds ago and gave me this bus pass for school. It's like the first time I've ever got it. So, that's good. As some of you may know, I've been playing Mario Kart Wii. And the worst thing about this is my little brother has actually completed all the Grand Prix. Has almost unlocked all the characters. And I'm still on 100cc. So, that's kind of annoying. I think I might start getting back to playing it a bit more.
I'm better than you.
No, you're not. I'm still better than everyone, including you. No. Okay, that's about it. See you tomorrow, Joe.